It's absolutely disgusting over there. So I'm going to give it a good clear out and I'm going to do sweep out the whole garage. When I open the door, that is disgusting. I'm actually going to vomit. Look at all them little carcasses. Let's go. It's black. So gross. This is disgusting. There's so many dead carcasses. They stink. I'm sorry. I'm sorry if there's any ant lovers out there. I'm not a fan of ants anymore. It works. There is method in my madness. I am going to clean the walls, then spray them again. But I just want to kill them first. Okay. Next port of call, I'm going to move you around here to move my sound equipment out of the way there and then go behind there. I made these when I was a little girl way back in the 80s. They're little choir kids. How old are they? November 1984. November 1984. This little lady is 42 years old. Oh, here's her brothers. Time to get serious about cleaning up all this gunge over here on the floor. I'm going to use exit mold. Now the reason why I'm using exit mold is it's literally the only other cleaning product I have in the house. But hey, at Wreck It with Rex, it's all about experimenting and seeing what might work. So I'm going to give it a little scrub with a toothbrush. I'm going to wipe it down with a sugar soap. Again, because I have them. Ugh. God, everything's gross. Surprisingly, it's working. What's that saying? It gets worse before it gets better? God, I hope that's right. Here we go. Oh, smells nice. Hello, little buddy. Hi. Always a bit stinky out here. No, not coming out. Stinks. Do I think that's perfect? No. But it's better than it was. And that's our motto here at Wreck It with Rex, to get things better than they were. It certainly smells much nicer. 15 minutes. It smells a mixture of exit mold, eucalyptus, and Australian trees. Very bizarre. You can watch me in fast forward clean this shit up. I'm dizzy. Oh yeah, that's much nicer than before. First of all, there's no ants. Not too bad. So thank you for joining me today in this war of attrition against the ants. I'll see you next time.